Imagine running a business where you don't have to constantly fight algorithm changes, hope for media coverage, or spend a fortune on ads just to get noticed. That's the power of owned media. The content you create and control, like your website, blog, and social media channels. Think of it as your digital home base, the foundation of your story, and the one thing that remains steady while everything else changes. But what exactly is owned media and why is it essential in building a strong brand? Let's break it down. There are 4 key types when it comes to digital marketing. You have owned media. This is what you create and control: your website, blog, email newsletters, and social channels. You have earned media. This is publicity you've earned from others, press coverage, influencer mentions, word of mouth referrals, and industry awards. You have paid media, any content you pay for, like ads, sponsored posts, influencer partnerships, and promotional events. And you have shared media, content that spreads through engagement like social shares, comments, user-generated content, and online reviews. Each of these supports a role, but owned media is the backbone that supports the rest. Without it, your brand's messaging is at the mercy of others, and there's no need to gamble on that perception. So let's talk about why owned media is your brand's superpower. Owned media is the only type of media that gives you full creative control over your brand's story, your brand visuals, and messaging. While it requires time and effort, the long-term benefits make it an essential investment. Here are the pros of owned media. Full creative control. You decide the narrative, visuals, and messaging. Cost efficiency. No need to constantly pay for exposure. Direct publication. No waiting for approval from outside sources. Versatility. Content can be repurposed and across multiple platforms. Targeted messaging. Speak directly to your ideal audience. Customer relationships. Build trust and credibility over time. Low risk. No sudden changes in policy or algorithms can erase your content. Long-term asset. Content continues to work for you months or even years after publication. Here are the challenges of owned media. It takes time and effort. You're responsible for creating high-quality content. Reputation building isn't instant. Trust doesn't happen overnight. It's not how it works. It's best when combined with other media types. Owned media thrives when integrated with earned, paid, and shared strategies, not third-party validation. Unlike earned media, it's coming directly from you, not from another source. Here's how to build a strong owned media foundation. Create high-quality original content. Think about the difference between using a generic stock photo versus organizing your own photo shoot. A custom photo shoot gives you original, brand-specific images that represent your business. Develop a consistent brand identity. Make sure your owned media reflects your brand's personality and values. A well-defined brand style guide, which includes colors, typography, and other design elements, helps maintain consistency across all platforms. Optimize your website and blog. Your website is prime real estate in the digital world. Keep it updated with fresh blog content, clear navigation, and SEO-friendly copy to attract and engage visitors. You're probably already doing this, but curate your social media presence. Your social media should reinforce your brand's identity. Use consistent branding and post value-driven content that resonates with your audience. Leverage your own media for earned, paid, and shared success. Owned media makes everything else easier. Need a press release? You already have brand-approved images and messaging ready to go. Running a paid ad campaign? Your own content ensures brand consistency across all platforms. I was asked for personal images for marketing material for a podcast I was featured on, and my own media fit right in. And invest in paid media to amplify your reach. While owned media is the foundation, pairing it with paid ads increase your visibility and drive traffic back to your website and social channels. Here are my final thoughts. So is owned media worth it? Owned media isn't just about having a website or posting on Instagram or any of your other socials. It's about creating long-term assets that builds trust, strengthens your brand, and supports all your other marketing efforts. It takes time and work, but the return on investment is absolutely worth it. And if you have a project coming up and you want Brandon Barron to take care of it, reach out. And don't forget to sign up to the Brandon Barron newsletter and check out the blog at brandonbarron.com. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Stay creative.